Authorities have barred chess across the Afghanistan until further notice over concerns that it is source of gambling, which is illegal under the government's morality law, a sports official said on Sunday. Also, the Taliban government has steadily imposed laws and regulations that reflect its austere vision of the Islamic law since the seizing power in the back 2021. Also, chess in Sharia, that is Islamic law, is considered a means of gambling, which is prohibited according to the Propagation of the Virtue and Prevention of the Vice law announced last year. Sports Directorate spokesperson Atul Mashwani have told the AFP. Also, there are religious considerations regarding the sport of chess. He said, until these considerations are addressed, the sport of chess is suspended in Afghanistan. He added, Mashwani said that the National Chess Federation had not held any official events for around 2 years and had some issues on the leadership level. Also, Azizullah Gulzada owns a cafe in the Kabul and has hosted informal chess competition in recent years, but denied any gambling that took place and noted chess was played in other Muslim majority countries as well. Also, many other Islamic countries have played on an international level, he told the AFP. He said that he would respect the suspension, but that it would hurt his business and those who enjoyed the game. Also, young people don't have a lot of activities these days, so many come here every day, he told the AFP. Also, they would have a cup of tea and challenge their friends to a game of chess. Also, Afghanistan's authorities and have also restricted other sport in recent years, and women have been essentially barred from participating in any sports altogether in the country. Also, last year the authorities banned free fighting such as mixed martial arts, that is MMA, in the professional competition, saying it was too violent and problematic with respect to the Sharia.